Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all dessert lovers and pudding enthusiasts as we are diving into the world of classic desserts and making a restaurant quality caramel pudding right here in your own kitchen. Forget the complicated recipes and expensive ingredients. This caramel pudding is surprisingly easy to make and uses pantry staple. But don't let the simplicity fool you. The end result is luxurious dessert with a silky smooth custard base and a rich caramel layer. It's a taste sensation that will leave you wanting more. So ditch the store-bought puddings and create a homemade masterpiece. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. And also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. And do hit that like and also comment and let me know how you like this recipe. If you have any questions, then do let me know in the comments. I will try and reply them. Also do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they can try this at home. Let's get cooking and unlock the delightful world of caramel pudding. So first, in a hot pan, add 150 grams of sugar to make a caramel. Then melt the sugar. Make sure the flame is on medium to low. Cook it until it gets a nice golden brown color. Keep stirring it continuously until sugar is nicely melted. Do not overcook the sugar. Make sure it is something like this. A nice golden brown color. Then simply pour it in a metal container, a nice round shape which I have used. Or you can also use a thick glass bowl. And then simply spread the caramel all around the container and even on the sides. Make sure you do not leave any gaps in the middle. Do this method very quickly as the caramel sets very fast, because once it sets you will not able to spread the caramel. Then leave this aside. Then in a bowl add 6 whole eggs. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add 120 grams sugar and whisk this until the sugar is nicely dissolved with the egg. Then add 500 ml milk and whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Then simply strain the egg mixture. And then pour it in a container. Then simply remove the foam and air bubbles formed on the surface. Then cover it with silver foil. Make sure the edges are nicely sealed properly. Then simply steam the pudding in the preheat steamer and steam the pudding for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then to check, simply use a knife in the center. If it comes out clean, then it is cooked. Then cool it down to room temperature and refrigerate for about 5 to 6 hours. As you can see, it is perfectly cooked. So the pudding is nice and chilled now and ready to demold. Then simply use a knife around the side to ease the pudding out. Then simply demold the pudding as shown. Be very careful and gentle. And there you have it guys, a restaurant worthy caramel pudding ready to tantalize your taste buds. Look at that beautiful golden caramel layer and that smooth silky custard. Every bite is a delightful contrast of textures and flavor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious and easy dessert recipes like this one. If you are feeling adventurous, you can add a splash of your favorite liqueur like rum or Baileys to the custard for an extra kick. Throughout this video, we have explored the art of crafting the perfect caramel sauce and mastering the delicate balance of the custard and achieving that irresistible velvety texture. Remember, the key to successful caramel pudding lies in the attention to details, from carefully caramelizing the sugar to gently pouring the custard. And don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and toppings to create your own unique variations. So sit back and relax and savor every spoonful of your delectable creation. Whether you are a seasoned baker or new in the kitchen, we hope this recipe has inspired you to embrace the joy of homemade desserts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also hit that like and comment for any of your suggestions regarding this recipe. Do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they can try these delicious recipes at home. And if you want me to make any specific recipe like desserts, cakes, curries, cookies or any kind of your favorite recipe, so do let me know and I will try and make it. Now go forth and impress your friends and family with this homemade caramel pudding. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.